In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete folders in Outlook. If your mailbox has gotten cluttered with old project folders or categories you no longer use, removing those folders can make navigation faster and keep your email organized. Don't worry when you delete a folder in Outlook, it doesn't vanish forever right away. It's moved to deleted items first, so you can still recover it if needed. Start by opening Outlook. Once it's up, look to the left side of the screen for the folder pane. This is the column that lists your email accounts, inboxes, and all the folders underneath them. Find the folder or subfolder you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're looking inside the correct mailbox. Also note that certain built-in folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, or Archive can't be deleted. If a folder looks like a default system folder, Outlook will prevent you from removing it, which is normal. When you've located the correct folder, move your mouse over it and right-click. That opens a small context menu with options specific to that folder. Take a quick moment here to confirm you've selected the right folder, especially if it contains subfolders or important messages. Deleting a parent folder will move that folder and everything inside it to deleted items together. From the menu, choose Delete Folder. In some versions, it might simply say Delete. Selecting this option tells Outlook you want to remove the folder from its current location. Right after that, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt asking you to verify the action. Click OK or Yes to confirm. This step is designed to prevent accidental removal, especially in shared environments or busy mailboxes. After you confirm, the folder and all of its contents are moved to deleted items. That means it's not permanently gone yet. If you realize you removed the wrong folder, you can look inside deleted items and retrieve it from there. If you don't see a confirmation dialog, that's usually just a preference setting in Outlook. The folder will still go to deleted items. If the delete option is grayed out, it often means you're trying to delete a protected system folder or a folder in a mailbox where you don't have sufficient permissions. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.